Thanks for checking out this question from our daily live Zoom calls. Please like and subscribe to keep learning how we help the largest online community of self-directed retirement investors and entrepreneurs grow and control their retirement funds. So the first question that we want to go over is a solo 401k loan question. So like we talked about earlier, taking loans is one of the most popular reasons people set up accounts with us. Here, the question presented is, I previously set up a solo 401k plan with your company. I need to replace my roof on my home. Can I take a loan for my solo 401k? Yes, certainly. With our plan, you could take a loan of up to 50% of the balance, not to exceed $50,000. So if you have at least $100,000 in your plan, you can borrow up to $50,000. Then you can use the proceeds for whatever you want, such as replacing the roof on your home. The loan needs to be paid back in either monthly or quarterly payments, equal payments of principal and interest. So that's going to be prime plus 1, with those payments spread out over a 5-year term. We prepare the required loan documents as part of our service for no additional charge.